Change is in the air again. Monsoon season is ending. Everybody's taking in as much as they can before Kabini dries up. Once more, hunting becomes extra tricky for me. Trying to hide myself in the bone-dry forest. But I've learned something from life in the wet season, looking like I do. Shadows are my cover. Even during the dry season, I can find darkness. My world. Now, I have a strategy. First thing I have to do is keep out of sight of those troublesome langurs. They'll alert the whole forest that I'm on the hunt. But I can use my ally, the shade. So far, so good. No alarm calls. I just have to get a little closer. Once I'm in range, those monkeys can screech all they want. The brighter the light, the blacker the darkness. Clouds, trees, sun, shadows. It's all in the timing. Now. With every kill, I become stronger, more confident. Soon I'll throw shade at Scarface and fight him for the right to rule this territory.